Convicted of murdering an Indiana University student is scheduled to be released from prison in 2 weeks. John Myers will be placed on home detention as he awaits a decision on his appeal in his murder case. Kelly Rinke shows us how a judge made that decision.
Sunday marked 20 years since Indiana University student Jo Behrman disappeared while riding her bike. Just 2 days before that anniversary, a court ordered the release of the man convicted of killing her. John Myers was found guilty in 2006, and he was sentenced to 65 years. But after spending less than 14 years behind bars, a federal district court ordered he be placed in home confinement on electronic monitoring while he waits for a decision on an appeal in his murder case. This is how we got to this point. A judge in September ruled that Myers' legal counsel was ineffective and he should be released. The Indiana Attorney General's office appealed that ruling. In April, Myers filed a motion for his release while he waits for that appeal. He claimed he suffers from psoriasis and his medication suppresses his immune system, making him vulnerable to complications from COVID-19. In his ruling last week, U.S. District Court judge also said evidence against Myers was, quote, far from overwhelming. On June 15th, Myers will be released. He will live with his mom in Ellettsville pending that appeal. He will be supervised and may not make contact with Jo Behrman's family. In 2 to 6 months, we expect the U.S. Court of Appeals to decide whether or not Myers received a fair trial.
That was Kelly Rinke reporting.